The main reason why the bar scene is bad for meeting a guy is the emphasis on alcohol. I'm not against drinking, having fun, and hooking up. However, if you are trying to find a guy to connect with and date, then you are not going to find him at a bar. Even the coolest, smartest, and most considerate guys make total fools of themselves at bars. Even if the guy who is talking to you at the bar would be the best boyfriend in the world, you would never know it by his behavior under the influence, and you being under the influence as well, which would impair your judgment.